In this video, I will explore the fantastic concept of multiple inheritance in Python. I will dive into how it allows classes to inherit attributes and methods from multiple parent classes, opening up new possibilities for code organization and reuse. Stay tuned to learn about method resolution order, industry level examples, and more. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay, so in this video, I will explain the concept of multiple inheritance and how it works in Python. Multiple inheritance is a feature in Python that allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from multiple parent classes. So there could be multiple parent classes with the attribute and the methods. And child class is acquiring all the attributes and properties for that class within it. So if I will talk about the syntax, then we have to define the parent classes within the child class parenthesis, the order in which we want to execute. So you can see here inside the child class braces, I have defined the parent class 1 and parent class 2. So it will execute in the same order for acquiring the properties or attributes of the parent classes. So alright, now we will see the practical examples how we can achieve the multiple inheritance and how we can resolve the method resolution order in case parent class is having the same method name. So alright, let me define the classes class A, and this class contains one method, let's call it as greet. So first attribute would be self. Now let me print one statement. Okay, let me define one other class called as B. This is also a parent class. This class also contains a method called as greet. So as I explained, what we have to do is we have to invoke the properties or acquire the properties from the class A and class B to the child class. So let me define a child class called as C. Okay. Now in the child class, what we have to do, we have to define the order by which we want to execute the parent classes. Okay. So now I'm defining the order as A, B. So first what it will do, it will get the, or we will invoke the properties from the class A, then from class B. Okay. Alright, now if I will create an object of this C class and I will call object.greet. Okay, so in this example, class A and B have this method as greet. Class C inherits from both A and B using multiple inheritance with the greet method is called on an instance of class C. Python follows the method resolution order to determine which version of the method to execute. So in Python, the method resolution order is determined using the C3 linearization algorithm, which is a variant of the CRISP algorithm. Okay, so now let me save it, let me execute it. So you can see here the print statement coming from the parent class, that is A. Okay, why? Because here I have defined the method resolution order. First is A. If I will change it to B and second to A. Now let us execute one more time. So you can see now the message is coming from the B class, that is a parent class. So this is the method resolution order. So the way which we have to define the hierarchy of the parent class to execute in a certain manner to acquire the attributes or method from the parent classes, that is called as method resolution order. So sometimes what happen, if class A contains this method with the same name, class B contains the method with the same name. So this can create the ambiguity. So just to resolve such kind of ambiguity, we have to follow the rule of method resolution order. So thank you so much guys for watching.